so, listening to the media. I was going to do an interview for Newsnight in London, which was on at 10:30. And they brought a camera crew to my office. And now normally they don't ask the question until the camera's rolling, and then they get your immediate reaction. But this particular time, the young lady said, well, I'm going to ask you, de-dum-de-dum-de-dum. I said, well, I'm going to tell you de-dum-de-dum-de-dum. She said, then I'm going to ask you de-dum-de-dum-de-dum. And once I gave her the second answer, her face fell. I said, is there a problem here? She said, yes, there is. You are far too positive and upbeat. This programme is about how bad things are. And we folded up the camera and we didn't do the interview. And that particular session wasn't even shown. So, if you think the media has got an agenda, you're absolutely right. So it's up to us to change the agenda. Because there's a lot more positive things happening than they would have you believe. There are just some of the sectors involved in engineering. Whether it's power generation, electronics, oil and gas, or whatever, it's vast. And when I go out to talk to school pupils, I say to them, if it wasn't for engineering, we would all go back to living in